Today your pages are 87, 89, 91. They're at the bottom of your screen in bright yellow. Let's look and see what those look like. So it says two-step word problems, and there's a picture of a dolphin in the corner. That's page 87. The back has a slice of pizza. Page 89 has some pencils at the top. That's page 89. The back of page 89 has a bunny rabbit. That is page 90. The front of page 91 has some marbles, and the back of page 91, which is page 92, has a bird at the top. Okay, pause your video, take out your 3 pages. You should have just tore out your 3 pages. Now you need to make sure you have a staple, one staple by the word name at the top of your paper. Right here, one staple with the word with your name on that line. Pause your video, do that now. You should have a staple and your name written on the line. You also need to make sure your math book is put back in your cubby right now. When I come around looking to see who's on task today, I'll be giving out stickers for those who have one staple, their name on their paper, their book put away, and they're working on the video. I'll be doing those 4 things to get the sticker on your math packet today. All right. Today we're going to look at two-step word problems. 2 steps. That means you have to write 2 number sentences to get to your final answer. I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. There's a group of 12 dolphins following a boat. 12 dolphins. I think a dolphin, it should just be a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dolphins. 3 more dolphins join the group. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to shade those ones in because I know those ones joined. They weren't there when we started. Then 6 of the dolphins swim away. So I'm going to just cross off 6. Wait. So we had 12 that started. 3 joined them. That equals 15. We drew the 3 more. I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then it says 6 dolphins swim away. Now I'm just going to cross off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can do 15 minus 6 equals, now I just count the circles that I didn't cross off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dolphins are still swimming next to the boat? Well, my final answer is 9. There are still 9 dolphins swimming next to the boat. That's a 2-step word problem. I had to write 2 number sentences, do 2 things to figure out what the real answer is. You have to pay really close attention when you're doing a 2-step word problem because there's going to be lots of numbers. Turn the page. Let's see what the backside shows us. It says some word problems take 2 steps to solve. Tim's class was having a pizza party. Tim brought 3 pizzas. Remember, step 1, we always box the numbers. Jenny brought 2 pizzas. The class ate 4 pizzas. How many pizzas do they have left? So first, I'm going to add the pizzas that were brought. So Tim brought 3. Jenny brought 2. So I'm going to do 3 plus 2. That equals 5. Then I need to subtract how many were eaten. The class ate 4 pizzas. We had 5 at the party. 4 of them were eaten. How many pizzas are left? 1 whole pizza is left. We're going to write 2 number sentences to find the answer. 2 number sentences. Let's look at number 1 together. Number 1 says Marla bought 3 books on Monday and 5 books on Wednesday. She returned 4 books today. How many books does Marla have now? Okay, so we know step 1, box number. Step 2, circle the question. Step 3, underline important information. So she bought 3 books on Monday. She bought 5 books on Wednesday. Today she returned 4. So again, I have addition number sentence, subtraction number sentence. So let's see what we come up with. 3 books on Monday, 5 books on Wednesday. How much is that? The number I put in this box when I do my subtraction number sentence will go at the top of my subtraction number sentence. So let's see what that is. I'm going to punch it up. 5 is the biggest number, so I'm going to punch up 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 8. So I put 8 in this box. She has 8. She returned 4 books. She returned 4 books. How many does she have now? 8 minus 4. I can punch it up. So I'm going to start at 4, and I'm going to count till I get to 8 and stop. And when I say 8, the number of fingers I'm holding will be my difference. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm holding up 4 fingers, so my difference is 4. How many books does she have now? She should have 4 books now. On number 2, I'm going to help you come up with your number sentence, the first number sentence. You're going to do the second number sentence and find your answer all on your own. Carla collected 6 leaves. She has lost 3 of them. She has 9 leaves at home. How many leaves does Carla have in all? So Carla collected 6, but she lost 3. How many does she have now? Then we know she has 9 at home plus whatever she collected while she was out will be our final answer. So whatever you put in this box goes in this box. Find your total answer of leaves that she has. Let's look at the next word problem. Candace has 6 pencils. She gives 2 away. Then she gets 2 pencils out of her bag. How many pencils does Candace have now? She has 6. She gives 2 away. How many does she have? Put your answer here. Whatever you put in this box goes up here in this box. She gets 2 out of her bag. How many does she have now? How many pencils does she have now? She has 6. She gives away 2. She gets 2 more from her bag. 8 birds land on a tree. 5 of the birds fly to another tree. Then 2 more fly away. How many birds are left in the tree? This one's tricky. I'm going to subtract 2 times. It says 8 birds land on a tree. 5 birds fly away. Box. Whatever you put in that box goes here. Then 2 more fly away. How many are left? Whatever you put on this line, you put here. How many birds are left in the tree? On number 5, I am not going to write any number sentences. I'm just going to read the word problem, box the numbers, and circle the question. You need to come up with the word problem, the number sentences on your own. Susie saw 9 ladybugs on her porch. 4 flew away. Then 3 more ladybugs came. How many ladybugs are on the porch now? So I'm going to tell you, you're going to write a subtraction sentence first. Then you're going to write an addition sentence second. Whatever this answer is right here is going to be what you put on the blank. Turn the page once you've completed the front side with the pencils. On the back side, I'm going to read the word problems. You're going to do the number sentences on your own. 5 seashells were lying on the beach. 8 more seashells washed up onto the beach. Sammy picked up 4 shells. How many shells were left on the beach? So it's a plus sentence, an addition number sentence, and a subtraction number sentence. This answer goes here. David counted 6 chipmunks and 7 rabbits in his yard. 5 of the rabbits hopped away. How many animals can David see now? So you're going to write an addition number sentence, and then a subtraction number sentence. Subtraction, not addition, Miss Almec. This answer is your final answer. There were 5 toads in a pond. 3 more toads jumped in. 2 toads jumped out of the pond. How many toads are in the pond now? Addition number sentence, a subtraction number sentence. This answer goes here. We will discuss the hot problem. If you can come up with one, that is, it says write a 2-step word problem using the number sentences 8 plus 2 equals 10 and 10 minus 4 equals 6. So you're going to come up with your own your own word problem that uses these 2 number sentences. If you can come up with a 2-step word problem that answers this question on your own that is correct, and you show it to Miss Helmick, you get a star. All right, we're finally to homework. Camden has 3 marbles in his pocket. He finds 8 more. He gives 4 marbles to Jen. How many marbles does Camden have now? I'm not going to tell you if you're writing an addition number sentence or a subtraction number sentence. You're doing that all on your own on the homework page. Alexis collected 6 rocks. She already had 9 rocks. She lost 3 rocks. How many rocks does Alexis have now? Pause the page, pause the video, finish this page. 9 geese landed in the yard. 8 of the geese flew away. Then 3 more geese landed in the yard. How many geese are in the yard now? Sheila had 15 cards to mail to her friends. She forgot to mail 2 of them. 6 of them got lost in the mail. How many cards were delivered? Gia got 4 books from the library yesterday. She got 5 books today. She returned 3 books. How many books does Gia still have? How many books does Gia have now? Test practice question. This is where your parent is going to initial for your dojo point. There are 7 horses on the farm. There are also 9 pigs. 2 of the pigs were sent to another farm. How many animals are on the farm now? Pause your video. Answer all the questions. Good luck.